Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you or someone you know is living with diabetes, you know how important it is to manage your diet. Today, we're talking about fruits. Yes, you heard that right. Not all fruits are off limits if you're diabetic. In fact, some fruits can actually help you manage your blood sugar levels. Stick around to learn about the best fruits to include in your diet to control diabetes. Let's get started. When you think of managing diabetes, you might be tempted to avoid fruit altogether because of its sugar content. But the truth is, some fruits have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. These fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a healthy choice for diabetics. Number 1. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouse. First up, let's talk about berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. These little fruits are loaded with fiber and antioxidants, which are great for controlling blood sugar. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Berries are also low in calories and carbs, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. Add them to your breakfast, a smoothie, or even a light dessert. Number 2. Apples, the everyday fruit. An apple a day can keep the doctor away, even for diabetics. Apples are low on the glycemic index and high in fiber, especially if you eat the skin. The fiber helps control blood sugar levels, making apples a smart snack choice. Plus, apples are packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system. Try pairing a sliced apple with a handful of nuts for a balanced, blood sugar-friendly snack. Number 3. Pears, fiber-packed goodness. Pears are another low glycemic fruit that's perfect for diabetics. They're packed with fiber and have a gentle, sweet flavor that can satisfy your cravings without causing a sugar spike. Pears are also a great source of vitamin K and copper, which support overall health. Enjoy pears on their own, or slice them into a salad for a delicious and nutritious addition to your meal. Number 4. Citrus fruits, vitamin C boost. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are another great option for managing diabetes. These fruits are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and flavonoids, which can help improve insulin sensitivity. Just be sure to eat the whole fruit rather than drinking the juice, as juice can cause a quick spike in blood sugar. Start your day with a fresh orange or add lemon slices to your water for a refreshing, diabetes-friendly drink. Number 5. Cherries, nature's sweet treat. Last but not least, cherries. These little red gems have a low glycemic index and are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. Cherries can be enjoyed fresh or frozen, and they make a perfect addition to your yogurt, oatmeal, or even as a simple snack on their own. And there you have it, 5 fruits that can help you control your diabetes while satisfying your sweet tooth. Remember, moderation is key, and always pair your fruits with a source of protein or healthy fats to keep your blood sugar stable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthy lifestyle. Which fruit is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.